We discusses about today's Daily Observer 16th September 2024. My main focus on foreign news and business news related focus. Iranian's president to attend BRICS summit in Russia. Hamas official says group has high ability to continue Gaza war despite losses. Israel PM, that is Prime Minister, Israel PM warns Yemen rebels of heavy price after missile attack. Army says missile from Yemen fell in central Israel. Realized Indian opposition leader Kejriwal to resign as Delhi Chief Minister. Biden to use rest of term putting Ukraine in best position. Sullivan. Imran's tweets create uproar. Mastery over his run account. News in brief. All flight at main Shanghai airport cancelled due to typhoon. State media. Israeli leaflets tell South Lebanon president to evacuate. Deadly shelling in Ukraine's Pokrovsk as Russia inches closer. We know that Kamala Harris and Trump is rival each other for upcoming election. This is a very important and crucial information who have interest about American election. Donald Trump said no more debates with Kamala Harris, said Trump. Washington, September 14. Republican nominee Donald Trump said on Thursday he would not participate in another presidential debate against Kamala Harris ahead of the November 5 election after several polls showed his Democratic rival won their debate earlier this week. There will be no third debate, that is already two debate has been occurred and no Donald Trump cannot do or better perform against Kamala Harris. The former president wrote on social media site Truth Social. Trump had participated in a debate against President Joe Biden in June before his debate against Harris on Tuesday. Although Trump tweeted his performance on Tuesday against Harris. 6 Republican donors and 3 Trump advisors who spoke to Reuters earlier this week said they thought Harris had won the debate, largely because Trump was unable to stay on message. The debate attracted 67.1 million television viewers according to the Nielsen data. Harris is speaking at the rally shortly after Trump's post went live. Harris said, that is Kamala Harris, I believe we owe it to the voters to have another debate. While Trump said in his post that polls showed he won the debate, several surveys showed that respondents thought Harris did not better. রেসপন্ডেন্ট থট মানে রেসপন্ড যারা এটা উত্তর দিয়েছে তারা মনে করছে হ্যারিস ডিড বেটার, হ্যারিস ভালো করেছেন ট্রাম্পের তুলনায়। অ্যামং ভোটার্স হু সেড দে হ্যাড হার্ড at least some things about today's debate, 53% said Harris won and 24% said Trump won. According to the Reuters Ipsos poll released on Tuesday. Thank you.